Oh, Akwa is song. Oh yeah, Bapulan. Don't go, Akpabio. Akpabio. Let's support the program with the cover of 20,000 naira.
Hello, listen. Colonel Udofia is a capital word into the walk. I nearly get more. I never get him a this side of preference to Gubanima. And no, I had a walk in a song. You can't be Colonel that side. Colonel put now move and drop a crew. By Robert Hawk and yet I'm I get glass again so that I won't die to you. Colonel Udofia, you will come and support your brother that you've never known before here. Thank you very much, Elder Moore, sir. Yes, this is a man that has been helping a lot of the Bible. And you know, I will tell you, Today is a unique day. We are here to make this event a success. We are not here for many topics. We are ready time to talk after today's event because we want to raise funds. And God is our subject matter. Success is our goal. So please, I want to do that at this point in time. I have to support with some of 4,000. There's money from here. 4,000. When they want to support, the other people want to support. I'm supporting him with 4,000. Yes, thank you.
Senator and call Akwa. We give what you support. Family them you go with Etubom. Etubom Dr. It was personally good to me. Emma meeting I'm gonna eat me. Etubom which I have been participating. But I'm very good at waiting. We give what you support. You go with you. So make support with the sum of 20,000.
The sum of 5,000 now. Man, so for a year, we are not for that. You say one no. I can bring it. We got to work. The radio. I can bring it. We got to work. Oh, so what? Yeah. We are not. Every man support you with so 4,000 naira. DJ Emma and Elder Okon sitting together, honestly speaking. Thank you very much. And then I want to stimulate that Colonel Udofia can never miss this one. Akwa is so. Okay, back to what? Go, Akpabio. Akpabio. I don't know what I'm coming from wonder. In terms of content, you know what I'm content. I'm going to name the JT. I know you've been very challenged for me to hold the mic. On behalf of the CMC gladiators, which, one house please. On behalf of the CMC gladiators of the Pews, that High Chief Dr. Etubom Samson, our patron, my non support before now, and that one is part one. This one is because my leaders about me, and I'm calling the message and the evidence, so I have to stand up and also support him. We supported the sum of a total of 10,000 naira. So I can fucking do it. Elder Omosa, after your dad. In Africa, I have to do it this way. I'll support the program with 1,000 naira.
There are looking for the finest artists in Africa. If I don't want to get the dog, I was a law.
Unity, and everything that we did here, we did it on behalf of my chairman, Akpabio, and the man that brought us here. Our support, this blessed and everything, including musical state and unity with 5,000. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. policy statement here on the high table. So I want to start the policy statement here now on the high table, so that we can enter every other person here and come back for entertainment.
Let him talk first. Tom, what is saying? No, Tom.
Akwa's beautiful woman, South, energy of the nation. Thank you so much, MC. You're doing great. Well, we're just starting. I just thought to remind us again that, I spoke from the beginning, and others followed suit. We're here to raise money to enable us give our president. Hello. To give our president a befitting farewell. What we've just done here, we've not concluded. That's why I asked the cultural people to hold on. Is he going around? That is round one. Because we're going to have a round two. Yeah, because I'm very certain that we all came here loaded. So that 5,000, 2,000, 20,000, God bless you. God increase and multiply you and the seed you've sown. But you sow more. The more you give is the more you get blessed, isn't it? So we're going to give more. And this is individual giving. Of course, we have our chapters here, talking about Akwa particularly. The chapters contribution is, they all know, we communicated that earlier. That will come separately. But now whatever we're giving individually, we're also aware South are here. They will also announce what they have for us separately as South. Maybe Credab is also here because we sent a letter to them as well. We'll hear from Credab. So we want to see all of that done. Let's understand how this is going. It's individual contributions now. Then the chapters will follow. Then, then like I said, South and Credab and all that will follow. One of the things I just told the MC, we also have, some of us may not have come with cash. Akwa has a bank account with Union Bank. You can do a transfer here now. We'll have the account details. Phyllis, whom I asked to stand up, please stand up again, let them see you. Secretary Phyllis James Miss is here. You can approach her or approach me for the account details of Akwa. You can do a transfer here and now if you don't have sufficient cash. So we're still going on with round one. I've been giving, and I have given so much even today. But in the spirit of continued giving, I'm giving a further 5,000 naira here and now. Thank you very much.
Here for business. Already we know we are the planning committee, we've been contributing, and obviously I want to support the program with a sum of 2,000.
Next person.
Standing on the existing protocol, I want to appreciate the family and the gathering for recognizing the Ikot.
The president of
Ikot,
the president of Prince.
as we are all aware, is an Akpabio state. Yesterday we just marked our 35th anniversary. So I'm here representing in that particular capacity, and also to let everybody know that we have already as Ikot have supported this particular family. Also, I'm a man of many parts. I'm also representing Uyo Senatorial District, where the departed Etubom was from. By his grace, we have also done that. And Etinan also, the president of Etinan in Lagos. So please, all our support we have already put in place. But in order to cover the envelope of all our support on the 3 tiers, I hereby make a support of 2,000 towards that particular thing.
Thank you very much, sir.
South. Energy of the nation. I'm here on behalf of the Akwa Ikeja chapter. I'm a woman leader of the Akwa Ikeja chapter. So we have already made our donation and we have already supported the family. But on behalf of the house, I'm going to support 1,000 naira. Thank you.
Akwa, beautiful woman. I have to give the kudo to Vice President Akwa for a job well done. We are so organized this occasion of working for our able president who has just passed away. I'm very happy to see things are moving very well. For the past months, he's been coming here, we have been coming here, we have been putting our heads together, and today I've seen the success. I say again, thank you for the Vice President of Akwa. For this reason, I have to support a sum of 2,000 naira.
Samson. I'm already got my name. Etubom was a very nice philanthropist. And it's not the time that we cannot break the occasion. South and Chirikate have their donation. Then as an individual, I need to support with 2,000 naira.
Therefore, it's a cheap but of young family. Over to you, sir. I don't go and work.
Akwa will be strong. Akwa will be strong. Some 5 guys are not down. We have too many places, there are too many platforms. This is the platform now. On behalf of myself and my dear wife, I support with
Akpabio song. Akpabio. Unfortunately, the Milton was to go from Macau. Hello. If I saw him in Tony, we go pick up Macau. Somebody else is going to come from with loans. Personal capacity as a attack power. Only one of the last Maja. Attack goes to the son of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's going. 7. 7, my young boy, no attack power. I support my high chief. 1. Oh, yes. 2. For the high chief. 3. I'm going with song.
No, yeah, it's a young one. People get new down here, Bonnie. Who will get a mobile?
Say it down a little bit ago. Say you. She said you. He said he has supported his Lord in this program.
I thank you very much. Thank you very much, God.
His son.
Yeah.
First river, his son. Akpabio, his son.
Yeah.
Brother, his son. Okay, brother, the young. Samson, energy of the nation. On behalf of myself and my family, well, we've been doing several donations. We will still continue. Etubom Samson was a very close friend of mine. I remember last year when I buried my dad, he came in from Lagos to Rio to support me. So in that regard, that is what I said today. I will have to honor him. He's a very good friend. So we will continue to support him. So on behalf of myself and my family and members of this table, I thank and thank you for this.
God bless you.
Up to now, I'm still not able to comprehend. There are lost my very I remember when Mandela died. Thabo Mbeki said, and when Walter Cicero died, he said, I have lost my soul. In this circumstance, I have lost a brother and have where to go. Well, if a man like me that is trained to speak and talk for hours, we will continue to do whatever we can do, the needful that we can do to support so much. I will not disclose whatever I give. That by the time I get down to my house, I will not see DSS waiting for me or EFCC do the needful. And that's it.
God bless you, sir. Jojo! Biggest Joe in the building. Joe. That is making 2,000 for Muchanko. 2,000 Muchanko, and maybe I better Muchanko, you're okay. 7,000. Support Muchanko, support Muchanko.
Very song. You know what, so you know, under my sister, I support her with the song 1,000 naira.
Muchanko, I was 3,000 in our 3,000 Muchanko.
1,000.
4,000 naira for Muchanko. I love Muchanko, no be from out. 50,000 for Mujango. Yes. Oh, put Mujango.
Etova. Ella support Mujango for Yaga. He told Mujango Maba. Mujango Toby Jackson. Toby Ransom. Uyanga Biedu Kememe. Uyanga Biedu Kememe. Toby Jackson. Because ebe Mujango wanted the lady. Inaugural. Biedu Kememe. Ebe was Uyanga Biedu Kememe.
La 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 la. You did not mention your name, so go ahead now.
Sorry, my name is Samson Unyiwe Samson. I am the first daughter of the deceased.
The first and the only daughter of the deceased person. Please put your hands together and also put your hand in your pocket. Come forward and support these children now. I want to see how I'm supporting both of them. And then, Akpabio, we should do the needful. Say, take Banam get different. We should also do that. I mean, Tapan, with a sum of 50,000 naira. As you saw me, young new for I had a 49,000 naira. Thank you very much. I love. Bring 2 trays there. Bring those 2 trays. I love Etubom Samson, not before mouth. This is no more the time for speech. About any of the child show love there. Said, I am asking this one to stand up. I am asking this one to stand up. That is how we are going to run. And we will not take that. $1. Here we go. We want to lift these children up with a sum of 99,000 naira. 50,000 for God bless you, season base.
But I saw.
And then you support them more 5,000 naira. God bless you, sir. 1,000, 1,000. God bless you, sir. That's 2,000 naira.
Tell me that it's I found my son can be a member my family. I when I am the foundation of the been just no part of what I'm saying so is that even Samson came to my village during the debates of the father of Akwa. And then from that point he came to my compound because my compound and the Akwa compound is the same axis. He came, he did all what he knows how to do best. Please permit me to announce this money. I don't have the cash now, but if I announce I will pay. Young man, Ibom Dr. Ibom Akwa Abasorio. Then I follow the Abi. I don't find what they did. Simicon Bakara. I'm in the Gopoketon Mbandi Konto. C'était le Kenam came my village. I'm already before. Please, because of other people. I'm announced 10,000 before. Please write it down. And I use this opportunity to look at the shoulder to shoulder as a Chelsea fan. And I announce 15, 25 plus 10. I don't prefer 50,000. Before the closure of the business here, Season Best will donate the sum of 50,000 to the family.
I'm in those proud of from Akwa Ibom State. Akwa Ibom is summer. Even I'm so delighted. I'm not actually delighted to be here tonight. I just want to say, thank you so much. I just want to say, if there is something that when people see and they run away from it, we would have taken a Samson out of it. We would have bought a fattest egg drive. A fattest egg drive. Even Etubom Dr, but it has happened. It has happened. It was an icon. I want to dedicate a song to him. He has impacted my life so much in my career as a musician. He has impacted. So I just want to tell him, Daddy, continue to rest in peace. And I want to tell the family my condolences once again. Please, Mr. DJ, please, I just want us to have a minute silence.
Silence what to say. That's why it's hard to say goodbye. Goodbye is the saddest word to say. That's why it's hard to say goodbye. And when I see it, I think of you. Our hearts will never forget you. Goodbye is a painful word to say. That's why it's hard to say goodbye. Goodbye is the saddest word to say. That's why it's hard to say goodbye. Goodbye is the saddest word to say. That's why it's hard to say goodbye. And when I see it, I think of you. Our hearts will never forget you. Goodbye is a painful word to say. That's why it's hard to say Etubom Samson,
This was special from God. Please, the rest of the people there, if they are not among the crew, wait here.
If you are not among the crew, leave.
Thank you, my brother, for that awesome rendition. It is what marketing. We have talents. Akwa is blessed. you know, we can put out there to compete with anyone from any other part of the country. Thank you. Okay, that's part of Cornell Entertainment. All right, thank you so much. Now we one thing after the other. We were talking about our chapters, South, Trade-Up, any other group here represented one way or the other to come forward with their donations, contributions, free will, you know, apart from our chapters that were given a target. Now, I'd like to talk particularly about that. When a jack came out and talked about 10,000, I don't know, like I called the MC. Indeed, to be very honest, if he had come